Hey, what's going on? It's Jason Rodriguez. We have our YouTube channel, and in the YouTube channel, we ask people to put comments on some of the things that they want to learn. So I figured I'd make a quick little video here to just answer some of those questions. So one of the questions here is repairs, right? So I'm gonna give a short question on this. We actually have a video that in the playlist that talks about how to do repairs and my property information sheet and all of that. But for right now, if they're asking, what if I'm brand new and I don't know anything? Should I use a contractor to come with me to do repairs, to give an estimate of the repairs so I know what I should buy the house for? And my answer is absolutely, you should. If you know nothing and you haven't been trained and you haven't done any, you don't have I use a script to figure out what the repairs are gonna be. If you don't have any of that and you're walking in there with no pen, no paper, then you better bring somebody in that knows how to come and give you a number. If you bring in a contract, my recommendation is that if you're going to bring a contractor to your property, make sure that the contractor is not is more of an investor type of a contractor, meaning he's going to charge you more of builder or investor type rates for repairs versus an end consumer where everything is a premium dollar. So the pricing for contractor for the end consumer and the pricing for contractors for builders or investors are two different numbers. So you want to make sure that it's the investor side. Because on the other side, for the end consumer, sky is the limit. What do you want on the floor? You know, sky's the limit. So you don't want to have the sky's the limit guy. Usually my contractors that come there are not coming in $150,000 pickup trucks. That is always a sign that they are not my guy or gal. That I don't want them on the lowest part of the barrel. I don't want the low, what's the saying? The low part of the barrel?
Food chain?
The lowest part of the food chain. I don't know, I have my sayings mixed up. It's all good. You get what I'm saying. I want someone in the medium, meaning you're gonna give me a good price, and I'm gonna do repeatable business. So that's my thought on the repairs. If you don't know it and you're asking, should you bring a contractor in? Absolutely bring them in. All right, check us out. My name is Jason Rodriguez. I'm out.